In this short video, just want to explain and show some of the reporting functionality within the Tessaract system. Tessaract has a full suite of reports that cover both the account management side of the application with the report builder and also a full bank suite of reports within the account system. There are over 70 reports in the system. As part of the implementation of Tessaract, we work with you to recreate the reports you have and generate those, help you generate those automatically for board packs, etc. So that's just part of the implementation process. It's a very modern system. The reports are generated very quickly. As you can imagine, the Tessaract being an application that's only 6 or so years old, it's all modern technology and it's a true cloud native application, so everything runs very quickly. But let's show you one or two of the reports. I'll quickly go into the profit and loss report. So if I just drag that back a few months, so we've got some data to work with. This is across the whole firm, but then if I look at a particular client, recast that report, it'll recast it accordingly. So that's across all the matters. I think this particular client's got a few matters. So if I just drill into one of those particular matters and recast it again, that's been rerun very quickly. Any item that's actually blue hyperlink, you can drill into that. So if I look at this particular disbursement income, it'll take me into that, and then I can see the items that are actually within those particular expenses. If I go into the accounting reports again, sorry, I was just going to run one of the other reports. Just go back into all reports. Let's run general ledger summary and details. So I'm going to run the general ledger summary and details. General ledger summary across the whole firm. So I can see that. And again, I can drill into the relevant areas where I want to go and have a look at the detail. These are all the particular account transactions and then the invoices that are relating to that particular part of the report. So if I go into probably another good one to show is statements of accounts. So if you've got lots of customers that aren't paying their bills, you can use this particular report to send a particular statement of account template. So if I run the report, you'll see now that we have a number of clients that have got an outstanding amount. So this will find those bits of information, generate the statement, and then send it to each of those customers in a mail merge with this particular template. Type in your details, whatever you want the actual. It comes with a template or it's set up accordingly, but you can add some on there as well. And then once you've selected the people you want to send it to, in this case, all of them, it's just a case of sending the emails. And that would send it out to those and save the details against their particular matter files, etc. If I go into the report writer, in the case analysis, let's just put a quick report together on that. So we can drag, I'll show you a report being generated. So just drag and drop the various headers that I want. So you can see the data gets instantly created on the right hand side. It's a very quick system. Let's have a look. Matter type, matter status is there, matter status, yep. And source introducer. So I've generated a quick report in here. But if I wanted to say, let's look at that by matter status, automatically configures that now into a pivot table. And then you've also got the ability on any of these headings that's got a drop down to actually filter the information that's generated into the report. So if we said, actually, I didn't want all of these different matter types in there, let's select none, and let's just look at what we've got in corporate and conveyancing. So then we can specify the report accordingly. You've got the ability to export that to XLS. You can also save the config. So if I've got a report and I've generated, I've used it a while, and I realize that's the kind of report I want to generate regularly, I can save the config as whatever you want to call it. It creates that, and then it goes into a config, and then you can select those to generate, or a pack of those to generate automatically, maybe for a ball pack, etc. So it's helping you become more efficient, so you don't have somebody that's sole job is just to sit there churning out reports all day long. You can get them done in the system very easily. And that's a brief overview. We'll do a more detailed report deep dive when we have our next demonstration session with you. Thanks for your time.